You have to let me ask the question.
You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.
What did I do?
You've been in over 150 movies.
Yeah.
Tell me about the
We're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what.
Now, Pitbull would be a Pitsu.
How do they know which name goes first?
What are you talking about?
no, Lethal Weapon in 1987.
I'm not ladle. I don't cook. I don't know.
Because I live under and
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking about?
Please show, please. Oh, you did? Yes.
because I live under the main system. Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? And
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
You did comedy show, please. Oh, you did? Yes. All right.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there is a disparity between two objects.
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
An interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
Predicated on linguistics, language,